man din magpupay.
And enjoy the surprise weekend sale this Saturday and Sunday. And buy one, take one on RW Central Fairs.
Kalisa na lugod ating barbel para lumakot ang lawas.
Surprise weekend sale dito lamang sa Day&F Department Store. Great deals, great shopping.
Virginia Store. See you all, see you all. J&F Department Store. Great deals, great shopping.
Hindi ako punta ako nataklawas.
In Day&F Department Store Surprise Weekend
Ang
Sale.
budo ako ng mga maato na ini. Yung mga lawas.
Ng mga RCWs at footwears. Ngayong Sabado at Linggo.
Hindi na.
Surprise Weekend.
Sugad legit may isog baga.
Day&F
Nakita ni Nero na klawas nga dako na ini.
Sana na.
Ito madira. Sugad ko hindi masuntukay niya.
Ngayong Sabado at Linggo. Surprise Weekend Sale. Dito lamang sa Day&F Department Store. Great deals, great.
Nga ni. Maato na dat na akon na.
Bilang isa sa pinakamahusay na alagad ng tunggalo. Ibahin natin ang tema, mga tenga, pes mabilis na pakihanda nyo. Ganito mang trip, astig, minsan may pagkatarantado. Pag nagpapuy ng mga balang derecho sa pagmamukha mo. Ganito talaga ako kumanana, makabago na tunog. Di pilit ng mga bata na hinain, baka mabusog, natakalabog. Swak ang mga rima ko sa kada kumpasa kamay. Sa lakas patangay ngayong kasumabay. Ngayong pako sanay na ako sa panay lampaso. Katay kang iniwan ng aking mga galamay. Hindi ka pwede na sumali, puro pa bebe ang iyong atake. Malapit na itong umabante, kapos dumali, bawal ka hindi. Usapan dapat si Bak, bakit wak ang pinakita daw matindi? Nasaan? So dapat putang ina, kayo na ba gano'n na lang pala kasimple?
Napili na pag mga shirt. Kasi
J&F Department Store. Great deals, great shopping.
Eh, sigbalik ka ni pare. Kaya ano, nakita ka mga lawas. Nakita ka ng pare ka din. Parang
Wag.
magkaliwa pa rin.
Wag.
Wag. Wag.
Wag. Wag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Baliw ka yata eh. Ako na.
Buy one, take one. Ng mga RCWs at footwears.
I'm not afraid.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.
You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say 'em. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's just stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why or how can he. From Infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting. Whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he shit just bows out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forgive the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt. And fuck
Uli na lalugod ako rin yung may isuga GMD.
J&F Department Store Surprise Weekend